TestScribe AI is the latest AI software that's been generating a lot of buzz. And today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 crucial things you need to know about it before you dive in. Whether you're new to the software or just looking to make sure it's worth your time, I've got you covered. Stick around, because by the end of this review, you'll know if TestScribe AI is the right fit for you. First off, TestScribe AI has just been released, and it's a game changer in terms of streamlining content creation. It uses advanced natural language processing and machine learning to help users generate high-quality, professional-level documents with minimal input. What's really impressive is how quickly it can generate reports, essays, and even complex documents, all from a few keywords or prompts. You can try it for free through the link in the description, so don't miss out on that. One of the standout features of TestScribe AI is its versatility. Unlike some other AI tools that are limited to specific types of content, TestScribe can handle everything from academic papers to business reports, and even creative writing. If you're someone who deals with creating a lot of content, this could seriously save you hours of work every week. The second thing you need to know is the level of customization it offers. TestScribe AI doesn't just spit out generic content, it tailors the output to your specific needs. You can tweak tone, style, and complexity, which makes it perfect for professionals in any industry. Whether you're a marketer, a writer, or an entrepreneur, TestScribe AI adapts to your voice and requirements. The third thing that sets TestScribe apart is its learning curve, or rather, the lack of one. The interface is incredibly intuitive, which is a big plus if you're new to AI tools. You don't have to spend hours learning how to use it. You can start generating useful content within minutes, making it a powerful option for beginners and experienced users alike. Fourth, let's talk about accuracy. While some AI tools struggle to get the details right, TestScribe AI is built to maintain a high degree of accuracy, especially in technical or niche topics. I've tested it across several different industries, and it consistently provides content that's relevant and well-researched, making it a solid choice if you need reliable output for professional documents. Another thing that's worth mentioning is its integration capabilities. TestScribe AI integrates with a variety of platforms, so if you're already using tools like Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or even project management software, you can easily bring your generated content into your existing workflow. It's all about making your life easier, and these integrations do just that. TestScribe AI also stands out when it comes to collaboration. It allows multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously, which is perfect if you're working as part of a team. Whether you're working on a business proposal with colleagues or brainstorming ideas with clients, TestScribe makes it easy to keep everyone on the same page and move forward quickly. Lastly, I have to mention TestScribe AI's content optimization features. It's not just about writing, it's about writing that works. The tool includes optimization suggestions to improve readability, SEO, and engagement, making it a great option for digital marketers who want to create content that ranks and converts. If you're interested in trying out TestScribe AI for yourself, remember you can access it completely free through the first link below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and this is one of the top picks I recommend for anyone serious about boosting their content creation. In the description, you'll find links to other AI tools I've tested and highly recommend, including options for a variety of needs. Be sure to check them out and let me know which one works best for you.